drawers I got on. Got you. I ain't got no drawers on right now.
My baby, come on. I'm gonna turn you around here. Be safe with your dog. Grab him around the stomach, bottom, left.
In the way, man. Oh, my mask. You can't take my mask on my head, man. You take my jerk chicken away, my mask, my hat, man. I get pissed. Be like angry Jew, you know? Oh, man. But Shalom Bakla, man. I don't play, man. But I do gotta play, man. We're gonna make some money. And we're gonna get some steak and feel like Bailey's and be like Bumblekla and be like Shamblekla. Yeah.